Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi adapter being missing in Windows 11. Now, the most simple method you can do for now is called the Windows troubleshoot, right? So troubleshooting. So it's troubleshooting like this. I've had cases where I had my Wi-Fi adapter missing, and all it took for me was a Windows troubleshoot to turn it back on again because it was malfunctioning and the troubleshooter resetted it for me, right? And you can find it by going to other troubleshooters here, right? And then finding network and internet and then clicking on run. And then when you click on run, it'll open the troubleshooter like this, right? But right now I am connected, so it doesn't show me anything and it doesn't run anything. But if you run the troubleshooter and it can't find anything and you still can't find the Wi-Fi adapter, there's a huge possibility that your Wi-Fi adapter is broken. So you might need to fix that. If it's a laptop, it'll be really troublesome. But if it's a PC, you just have to change your adapter inside of your case. But if you want to try one more thing, you can go to settings here and you go to network and internet. On network and internet, go to advanced network settings. On here, go to network reset and then go to network reset and then click on reset now. I'm not going to reset now because it'll restart my laptop. But if you click on reset now, it'll restart or reset all of your network settings to what it used to be like on its factory settings. And this might or might not fix your PC, but before you change your network adapter, it might be good to try this out. Who knows, it might fix your problem. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.